Dinosaurs were a diverse group of reptiles that dominated the Earth for over 160 million years, from the late Triassic period, about 230 million years ago, until their extinction at the end of the Cretaceous period, around 66 million years ago. They lived on all continents and varied in size, shape, and behavior. Dinosaurs are classified into two main groups based on their hip structure. Main dinosaur groups: Saurischia, lizard-hipped; theropods. These are bipedal carnivorous dinosaurs, some of which evolved into birds. Famous examples include Tyrannosaurus rex, T-Rex, Velociraptor, and Allosaurus. Some were very large, while others were smaller and faster. Sauropodomorphs. These were mostly large, herbivorous dinosaurs with long necks and tails. Famous examples include Brachiosaurus, Apatosaurus, and Diplodocus. Ornithischia, bird-hipped. These were mostly herbivorous dinosaurs, many of which had plates, spikes, or other defensive structures. Examples include Triceratops, Stegosaurus, and Ankylosaurus. Dinosaurs' habitats and evolution. Dinosaurs lived on land, and their fossil remains have been found in a wide variety of habitats, from deserts to lush forests, swamps, and coastal regions. Over millions of years, dinosaurs evolved into a huge variety of species, from small, feathered theropods to massive, long-necked sauropods. Important time periods in dinosaur history. Triassic period, about 230 to 201 million years ago. The first dinosaurs appeared during the Triassic period. Early dinosaurs were relatively small and not as diverse. They evolved from earlier reptiles called archosaurs. Jurassic period, about 201 to 145 million years ago. This was the golden age of dinosaurs, where many of the most famous dinosaurs, like Stegosaurus and Brachiosaurus, roamed. It was a time of great evolutionary diversification. Cretaceous period, about 145 to 66 million years ago. This period saw the dominance of iconic species such as Tyrannosaurus rex, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. It ended with the catastrophic event that led to the mass extinction of dinosaurs. How dinosaurs disappeared. Dinosaurs, except for their avian descendants, birds, went extinct about 66 million years ago at the end of the Cretaceous period, during a mass extinction event known as the Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) extinction event. This event marked the end of the Mesozoic era and the start of the Cenozoic era. Causes of the extinction. Asteroid impact, Chicxulub impact. The most widely accepted cause of the extinction is the impact of a massive asteroid, about 10 to 15 kilometers in diameter, that struck Earth near the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico, creating the Chicxulub crater. The collision released an enormous amount of energy, causing massive fires, tsunamis, and ejecting dust, debris, and aerosols into the atmosphere. This resulted in a drastic climate change, including a nuclear winter effect, where sunlight was blocked for months or even years, causing a significant cooling of the Earth's surface. The cooling would have disrupted ecosystems, especially plants that relied on sunlight, affecting herbivores and, in turn, the carnivores that depended on them. Volcanic activity, Deccan Traps. During the same time, volcanic activity in the Deccan Traps in present-day India was extremely intense. This volcanism released large amounts of sulfur dioxide, which cools the atmosphere by blocking sunlight, and carbon dioxide, which can contribute to long-term global warming. The combination of the cooling from volcanic ash and gases and the warming from carbon dioxide would have created a highly unstable climate, exacerbating the environmental stress on life forms. Sea level changes. Changes in sea levels, likely caused by tectonic activity and climate shifts, would have affected coastal habitats and the distribution of marine life. This could have further stressed ecosystems, particularly the food supply for dinosaurs that lived near water or depended on coastal ecosystems. Climate change. At the end of the Cretaceous, Earth was already experiencing some climatic shifts. The combination of the asteroid impact, volcanic activity, and changes in atmospheric composition likely caused a rapid and extreme change in the global climate, making it difficult for many species to survive. Aftermath of the extinction. About 75% of Earth's species went extinct, including all non-avian dinosaurs, dinosaurs that did not evolve into birds. However, birds, which are the direct descendants of certain